Hello and welcome. I'm Esim, and today we embark on a journey across Russia, a land of extremes where nature's artistry is on full display. We'll leave the cities behind and venture into ancient forests, pristine lakes, and mountains that touch the sky. Prepare to witness landscapes so strange and beautiful, they seem almost otherworldly. Let's begin our exploration of the unknown Russia. Our first stop is Lake Baikal, the world's oldest and deepest lake, holding a fifth of Earth's unfrozen fresh water. Its crystal-clear waters are home to unique species, like the Baikal seal, Earth's only freshwater seal. In winter, Baikal transforms. The ice becomes so transparent it's called black ice, revealing frozen methane bubbles and deep fissures. Standing on this glassy expanse, you feel the ancient raw power of nature. Baikal is a living laboratory of evolution, a place of wonder and mystery. Here, nature's artistry is on full display. Next, we travel east to Kamchatka, a land of volcanoes and untamed wilderness. Over 300 volcanoes, 30 still active, dominate the landscape, fire and ice locked in a perpetual dance. Here, brown bears gather for the salmon run, and rivers carve through valleys of ash and lava. Kamchatka feels primordial, a place where Earth's power is always close to the surface. It's a realm of dramatic contrasts and relentless natural forces. Along the Lena River, we find the Lena Pillars, towering stone columns rising over 200 meters. Formed by ancient seas and sculpted by Siberia's harsh climate, these pillars stand like a petrified army. Each is unique, separated by deep ravines, glowing orange and red at dawn and dusk. The Yakut people revere this place as sacred, a cathedral of nature. In the silence, you sense the weight of deep time. The Lena Pillars are a monument to endurance and geological artistry. We head south to the Caucasus, where Mount Elbrus rises as Europe's highest peak. Its twin volcanic cones and vast ice cap feed glaciers and rivers, sustaining life below. Elbrus is both serene and perilous. Gentle slopes hide fierce storms and extreme weather. The ascent is a journey from wildflower meadows to the stark world of perpetual snow. From the summit, the panorama of the Caucasus is simply breathtaking. Far above the Arctic Circle lies the Putorana Plateau, a remote basalt wilderness carved by glaciers and rivers. Thousands of lakes and Russia's highest concentration of waterfalls define this lost world. It's a crucial migration route for the world's largest wild reindeer herd. The plateau's isolation preserves its raw, untouched beauty. Here, you witness nature's power and the enduring instinct of life. The Putorana Plateau is a humbling glimpse into the Arctic's wild heart. On Lake Onega, Kiji Island showcases human creativity amid nature's grandeur. The Kiji Pogost, built entirely of wood without nails, features the Church of the Transfiguration with 22 shimmering domes. Legend says its master carpenter built it with a single axe, then cast it away, declaring none would match it. These structures blend seamlessly with the landscape, celebrating faith and craftsmanship. Kiji stands as a fragile, enduring monument to human ingenuity. Back in Kamchatka, the Valley of Geysers erupts with geothermal energy, one of the world's largest geyser fields. Over 90 geysers and countless hot springs fill the air with steam and color the ground with vibrant algae. Eruptions like the mighty Velikan hurl boiling water skyward, a raw display of Earth's inner power. Despite landslides and change, the valley endures, constantly reshaping itself. It's a living reminder of our planet's restless energy. Near Krasnoyarsk, Stolby Nature Reserve is a forest of stone giants, bizarre rock pillars rising from the taiga. Sculpted by wind and ice, each pillar has a unique shape and name, sparking the imagination. For generations, local climbers called stolbists have scaled these rocks, forging a unique culture. Stolby is where natural wonder meets human passion and adventure. It's a playground for the spirit, set among ancient stone. On the Baltic coast, the Curonian Spit is a slender ribbon of sand, shaped by wind and water. Its shifting dunes, some of Europe's highest, create a miniature desert by the sea. The spit is a vital stop for millions of migratory birds and home to the mysterious dancing forest, where pines twist into surreal shapes. Efforts to stabilize the sands have created a unique balance of forest and dune. The Curonian Spit is a landscape of constant change and fragile beauty. It's a place where nature and mystery intertwine. Deep in the Ural Mountains, the Manpupuna rock formations, 7 towering stone pillars, stand in isolation. Shaped by millions of years of erosion, these natural sculptures are steeped in legend. For the Mansi people, they are sacred. Stories tell of giant brothers turned to stone. Their remote location makes visiting a true pilgrimage into the wild. Shrouded in mist or lit by the aurora, they are haunting and unforgettable. Manpupuner is a fitting finale to our journey. Our journey across Russia's wild wonders ends here, but the spirit of discovery lives on. From Baikal's crystal depths to the stone giants of Manpupuner, we've glimpsed the country's hidden marvels. These places remind us that wild, mysterious landscapes still exist and deserve our protection. Which destination surprised you most? Share your thoughts below. Thank you for joining me, SM, on this adventure. Subscribe for more journeys into the unknown. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing our magnificent world.